Once I was a sinner, saved by grace. My sins has gone far away. Jesus, take my bad and sins away. Once I was a sinner, saved by grace. My sins has gone far away. Jesus, I stayed on the bad and away. Once I was a sinner, saved by grace.
Once I was a sinner, saved by grace.
My radio, 97.1.
Come on.
My radio.
Sure. What singing there will be up there? What singing there will be up there? When we face with Jesus, we shall stand and join in heaven choir in a better land. What singing there will be up there? What glory for the saints to share. Oh, glory, sing glory. What sing? Sing glory, sing glory, glory. Glory, glory, glory. What singing there will be up there? What singing there will be up there? What singing there will be up there? When we face with Jesus, we shall stand and join in heaven choir in a better land. What singing there will be up there? What glory for the saints to share. Sing glory, sing glory, sing glory, glory, glory.
What singing there would be up there. Glory, glory. What singing there would be up there.
Sing glory, sing glory.
My radio, 97.1. My radio.
Dia waya mama fimu medawase miyame. Dia waya mama fimu miyiwaye erade. Wama wosaswa mama esira medawase o abreni namu. Wama wosaswa mama esira medawase o abreni namu. Dia waya mama fimu medawase erade. Dia waya mama fimu miyiwaye minyamiye. Ma wosaswa mama esira medawase o abreni namu. Wama wosaswa mama esira medawase o nyamiye abreni namu. Eyo nyami adumti na mameti ase erade. Efri minyuma mwana se minyasemu minyame. Mama wosaswa mama esira medawasio erade abreni namu. Mama wosaswa mama esiro medawasio nyame abreni namu. Eyo nyami adumti na mameti ase minya. Every minyuma mwana se minyasemu minyame. Mama wosaswa mama esiro medawasio erade abreni namu.
We are blessed.
And I say God is good. Me say God is good all the time. Asafu Yehowa woni ye dini ye. Ye hwasania afi ye hyasia. Ana sambre yare kodua wo COVID-19. Edi eni fiti last year. Eji yewura afi yi mu no. Na yeni daso e wo fam. Batumi yeji tumu sampa. Se wo wurade watimi aboye ho ban. Na yare yi. Empeni ya ni omo beye bia de twitwa ya agi afim no. E Christopher obompaye, Muslimi fu obompaye. Ye nananu musugu nsa ade bompaye. Edini e wogidie. Se afia ye wura mu yi. Ewurade obema wabasa so. Na adehia mu tie mi samre. Yeda ewurade ase. Enkakran sa. Oni ye she January ase. Yabomodian bedu October. Aka bosumi no mienu pe. Se bosumi ko na wie ya bosumi mienu pe. Na afi yabomodian hye na sumdwei so. Enitina samre. Mi bo enwumi. Esre adofo se tubibu ame. Esa ne se. Nia yani na yemu bi yanye ni sempo ye betena se. Ehu ene dei. Ba Nyankopon abomodian manabasa so. Adum yenkwa. Adum ye samre ahoden. Ayedi beko ye nyuma so. Enti samre mintimiri Nyankopon. Twadi ampo nyame. Aye bia fu nyame asamre pempem kire wonso ho abasa mu da biara da. Dudu nyina Nyankopon no. Woka obi nkabi. Na samre Ghana mind wase. Ye nyina yade ya no fafa eda wase. Esa ne se wama yenkwa. Ama ye nidaso. Na mijensa ansa na afi bako na wiye no. Na ewurade ayen senkyere ne bebre wa fofora brabo mu ade amomo. Mami papa. Mini abema mini aba wutie me. Ewiabre yi. Minim ne ya wotadwere. Ena minim mo haw. Minim koda na minim amane huru minim abebra sasamre wonamu. But I we me no be kasa. Me no be kasa sasamre yi. Wodeshia. Esafata se mi hye wonkuran. Ewurade kasa. Ewurade kasa ewiabre yi. Ewurade kasa ewiabre yi. Ewurade kasa ewiabre yi. Ewurade be peja wa fi adum akwa adum mu. Eniguasie mu akonkunimdie mu. Mu amani daso asa. Mu asabre mu tete mu amu haha. Mu amu fi se samre abrabo ye yi utotwere. Wa wo fi se samre wani daso nyina sa wo wiase. Woto wani enkoto bia anim. Awia me no kasa. Ewurade se wani daso nyina sa. Bomodian se. Wo besua frɛ no na obegye wo so. Se wo so frɛ Ewurade a, Ewurade begye wo so. Enti odwadini taxi driver emfa wo hu. Truck driver emfa. Afo odwadini asamre wakofa ade abesiwa wo ton a yento. Atofo ma basani atibia. Mesi Ewurade be ma ne nsa so wate. Won't say ye fi Emma Mantino, Emma Mantini a bosomia. Necessary ye movement bebre. Ye tutu aya akwai. Ye bomode ye tu anamon. Awe ye dada braba ye bomu. Enti ye wura October bosomi mu a. Menim se eye yedie. Afidie bia ye so no September no. Emena so se samre. Ye sase se ye didi ho. Ye didi ho sa. Me si afidie bia ye so no September. Adie bia wodi usika kwahye mu. Adie bia wodi wa ho odin wa adwen ekwahye mu no. October bosomi. Abusia ye be so na ba. Abomode ye di ho. Adoma kubanya ko pondo mu. Aye bia funya ko poni hu mobo. Titi be menya ko pon asamre. Omani oni ani daso no. Ontie yesufre na ontie empaibo. Ene yezali the 5th day in the month of October 2021. It's Azali 22 after 3 in the studios of Okuma 97.1 radio. We'll have a time in all about him. And when the kakra adianya chipe when you baba so na zadia sanisa. Enti bi adwuma yefo nyina mama kodipa amonam kwasu kofie musu asamre mugusu awu adwuma mu memamu nyina yiko ema mo akwaba adiba the most safest driver so nakayo your live on Facebook Okuma 97.1 wubetimi ahun action na ekoso studio mu ha Okuma 97.1 radio for Instagram also Okuma 97.1 sounds na wodi wani ekre YouTube nso a Okuma 97.1 enti ne ekoso nyina wa ha no wo so benya bi ahwe no watimi atie bi 23 after 3 I was yanche yabasa science no ba mame fa aseda kese pa Emma Acro Farms Limited for na meka Acro Farms Limited a omadama ena ofa edikan me bo modin ade bre o na meka Acro Farms asema abushia empem bebere yen a yetonton ade se wo restaurant kakra bi choba bi ana wodi nkokọ edidwuma eni emiri na eni Acro Farms se memento adofo eni afoforo asamre nkokọ ewuhia mopa esane munwuma amudi nti almost be just spent layers ibi spent layers yi nkokọ asamre me no ka say omato awie omnam dedede enti dwumadie bia wodi bedi bia no eso afoforo so ma afoforo mu sampa o wabo me nkwan why am frɛ papa bi Acro Farms say tio spend layers wuko dwaman so a 20 Ghana cedi ebi turn 50 ebi turn 30 ebi turn 55 ebi turn 40 sem fa so ntini yediga but Acro Farms in penny force we dey be 18 Ghana cedi pe abase yate so nintu yen turn baako ye turn 200 pieces or more abushia bomodia so do beni be kire apasare won sabeka Acro Farms adwumakuo no wo ho ana sempo kayo se ye what 12 weeks cockles enkokoma ye bo mo mpane nyina esafata awutimi didi dwumadie bia ma ne yeye me kire enkokoma ya enkokọ asamre eba enkokọ mpane bi ti se marriage AB1 Gamboro Fourbox ninyina ya wo enkokọ yimpane dada eti wunya de ni kosi ifikyire wo ba bia abusia pa ba bi fa yare bia ni wonu mo obetimi ache akokọ ibio frempani I was 0245 187871 0245 187871 and 055 3339355 055 3339 355 and 0245 187871. Akko Farms Limited. Abushia, our numbers, my bombardier, the Atuja for the Amawi. Na mami mama di enchia adofuobi asambre mo boy abaso anopa awia ne anwumre ewa dwuma pa ye ho bakayo ye fom so amomie hu Kaiser Zali 4 p.m. Mekwa kwaji abuafo nkrato ba answer na no abusuemra so se me dane me nsa no e wo studio mu ha 97.1 radio okoma enie eye Akwaba Drive mema mu nyina Akwaba jimi so se ofie pe
Meaning of a shake is sickly tag. Jamaican no shot not block what is no good
for my radio.
You got patient. You got patient.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
I can't watch the crowd will so long, love me. My one and only. She'll make me.
97.1. Hey, Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
All right now. Crazy.
Okuma Radio.
Yeah.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Station Radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Boys, Agatha, yeah, Casa, guys, somebody, or in a Kuma, Tiena Kuma, Nasa Uninya.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, Opeka Jan Edu, and St. Poloman, a friend of Yo, radio Bacopedo Pesa with Tia, Intimate Baby, Fat Okuman FM 97.1. Ha, Uni size.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Niaja say Okuman asofua chumoye jijete te to bar to bu afa pa
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
And I
ya da wusu iti pa corona benum siwe we bura munsu de da kamano timi da mindo me bonyu de mana ko ama da wusu uga se minyai kwa minyai uga se minyai kwa minyai uga se minyai kwa minyai da wusu ne so do manu e me do so do manu e me do if you listen to Shakia, I do it way. If you listen to Shakia, wait. Don't you you need to find it, ready go. I don't come away. Find it, ready go. Get show it. Find it, ready go.
We are blazing.
And no nema order was the bed. Automami come, automami
Radio,
so yeah, it's hard to me to be bomb colosai and the summer. I don't go bomb tree bed, me, I'm a dream, Manchester. Automami fifisa, position back, I say no. Position back, I say no. How do you woo? Rami and Shoki. How do you woo? Rami and Shoki.
Kabahuna China, Wambe to me, ya mesu, we ain't Yama, Nanama, near women who buy
Okuma Radio, 97.1.
The Tati I am from, we have those. The other side, that's not Michelle Hills. I talk, reloaded.
We need that ass up on you,
Okuma Radio, 97.1. Okuma my Doro. Okuma Radio.
Shine front to my back, shine me. The fire, over
44 after 3. And of course, Kwasi P on this one. Shahini Awati Oba. Now the Obomadia Chia Hona for Betremi. Sha Ebusia Edu Sambre ya wohu. Na afashe bebre na reba. Na menu kasa idea. Mampon ekrapem. Wogusuya wari di nwa afashe. Efi aya mampon pe. Ni abomadiya be kropon. Na ya be kropon so a. Eye kropon ni amonokrom. Hey. Akropon ni amonokrom. Na felate. Eburifo. Eukugwa edukrom aprede. Na just a festival train no. Etusa. Enti samri mamima mampoma nyina. Afishiapa. Afedase sani nyina yada so te asebio. Na afofrodi afashe. Woni mu se somre. Entuma na edi ehimpa wowiem. Enkrofo life aye boy. Wo peso bia usampa wo na waba. Oh asemesini e. Eni obomodin so beto obu atwetwe style papa bi. Na style no de tuma bi akwadwodwo na ya bibia wo ho. Na mo wunya wudin papa bi. Na wotwotwo. Na gwabo bi ebeba ase. Ah, wo bomodin akopie wo gwabo ya ase a. Ombe usampa audition na abai. Enti nanano matrase. Na emiamia bebre aboso. Na nije no kwa na ekosi. Abusia kayo. Wudin yedidi dwumadie nyina. Nananom empanyini akadonfo ne yadeshi asamre. Wowo miamia bebre nyina nimsampa. Enye wudin dia na enye ntoma foforo bia. And it is Sambre when it's a wooden shop or what Ghana for Nana, Nitituni Atlantic Plaza nim, I walk for India. When Sabeka wooden shop Cassia Pano or Ho, and your Mukodis house war is an Isawoka within her. I see the creator and Ramikacho say we are. And I say you mean sometimes I never done a better amount of war or shake kitchen 1 year, Johnny. A woman, no surprise in the kakra. And yet, done, I would do Dofuno. Ever shake Jadi walk. I catch any so. I cause you are for 14 Timbi Mammy. I cause you are Minya Mubia Medi. I cause you are Minya Kontebia Medi. Sometimes a surprise in the kakra. Maudofun feel so special or partner. No, a woman was your door, and that you do of ye, but do a bonting. Not you. Brackers in and Okasa. Omono Casa Sambre. Ediane Pia. Eniane Papa. And a Sambre and share a whole war. Any your customers. Na Yanuma Mabomodia copium our brackers in. Money me by your dreams. I'm fried rice in the Koye Papa. After jollof rice and so, Nida no cry as Runko at today. And for pizza. Okapimamuha. Baby a pizza. Sabe, Ubedia Sandy Biono. Our brackets in Australia. Chicken and chips. Samsung potato chips. Shawarma. And a bankuni tilapia no more weekends per. After your snacks with samosa, meat pie in spring rolls, pineapple juice, after watermelon juice, and sano ahudu baby. And as some Rubomadia baby, I share ya, were cropon, one sa ebekabi, now no dofono, mufili benze, what is there? Ain't bracas in froy, I wish ya, Kayo, say bracas in a bacope. Our Ghana for Nana Nanina, na me can say. Won't say at the Papa Bia Nani Poponia Bomadia so was so. And a permit is a Covia J. Cassa, Quasia J. Cassa. Obidi a Okumandia Quajisica Kakra. Oh, baby. Nasabio, why has he called Quadia 50 series? Yeah, why you may be a papa. Enti brakas is there. Nipa boninti. Yes, Sudiani and Cham say brakas in one mess me, you know. Almost work cropon a bet and I say. Almost in between office pop and executive pop. One Sabeka brakas in from 0244 246431 0244 246431 and 0245 211386. Brakas in Anna. I say Beji Janipa, ne feely. Afe Peace Montessori in Penny for some in Cancha here. And Fapima would be my Wakala be a Wunya. Aqualano Sunny or Beshas here. Son or the way. Na Ekobasa Samre. Whoop school at Tiapo. School Aminuka say, good access road. School Aminuka say, school bus, experienced driver Neki, school bus the grass I am no. What conducive environment. Essence or a teachers are. Yenimu dinti inside. Teacher for H. Rawadia. Unsampa way the professional sepa. Natiemia. A one teacher, 12 students. After almost how could a spacious classroom. Aminuka say, Yajenkwala Fiti Crutch. Primary 1, Akosi Basic 5. And he say, school papa now we will up memo. And as I will appear Montana per school papa be at Obaqua. A Peace Montessori. And a somebody may come for the amount. I wish you about money for Peace Montessori. I was 050-5829-261 050-5829-261 and 020-0177-676 and 0279 267523. Yawa Hostel Junction, opposite Impressive Colors. I want on Peace Montessori. Woka Peace Montessori. I see 1 teacher, 12 students. Nati Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System 24 say. Aya Ojraya bay. Emiamia bebre ube kobiano. Ube say Happy Entertainment fire setup sronko ho. Nati emi akra. Mina. Awo. Minyaba. Wo tie media. Awo wo bebe fie. Wo bebo canopy kakra. Wo be hian konwa kakra. And if we need to Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System for sure. Our man fie kapem. No bedo mo light. One sound mu konwa. Asandu mu tables papa. Sanya ba ya wo bebe. Wo benya baby. Edi o matena somo mo sompa. Na ojro. Nina Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System 24 says canopy ni na wope make ibi anasa wope eyekon ibi canopy no mu ahodo bebre eno achi no eba sound system ebo a wote sampa sound system ni wote teachers wote bass wote bibia ni nyina wo ma hwe wo ben everflow baby o mu gege o mu susuo no wo manfe Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System was 0275 042594 0275 042594 and 050 790012 0540 790012 and 0275 042594. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. Any you like pub and restaurant on Memo to Medino Aikiko. Ade. Vamos. Ada Brusuo Kwasipi. Na Okoman 97.1 radio never from you. Okoji man, Okoji Abrimpong, Okoji Adishi, Okoji Numa. Enareka say Abushami Kuramin some ayabro. Ahobraso Kwanso. Misre Newman Kuon Ketwani Akasia. And sorry Ketwani Akasia. Afe schools. Most what you made be done when you are moved. Na mu hia dwuma ku abebo mode abo ho dawuro ade amount. Sounds in a restaurant and bars. Corporate institutions. Any hotels ahodo. Momo modiani Okuman 97.1 radio any south anopa awia ne anwumre yebegye so. Enti me no kasa se wunu aba ma bi. Wabusuani bi. Wodofo bi wadamfo bi. Adepa ena me kamfo ade amount. Sani afantifo ka se azu ofia oye no. Okuapeman apie mantem Ghana odosronko amada na didi ama okomanti. Yese yedamasio yedamase ahenewa yedamase adehide yedamase akudonto. Monfre empani anopa awia enwumre. Se woton ade na apese ye bohu dawuro ade mon. Yekumi kra ye don komi na omode ba. Eye odwramre. Fremakati team no was 0246 TO 0246 435565 0246 435565. Yeba Joso Okuma nye yehwe yetie ene yekasa ma okuapeman nafa uba cheme ode Minova ya Nabushia yanyane tiyasa messages on Facebook, Instagram. Yaba jimna kaini nyina papa edi amamo. Esane say yanu one edi jumadi. Once again, you're from Nana Kwame Perry. Ubetimi are from the finest. And my man, you know, catch you me. Maminchia JP, John Peter, Nyaku, Sabibia Boko, dear. And I'll be right back after the short commercial break.
Straight from the top. Okay, up in mind. Are you ready? Ojiro. Chill Out Restaurant present Ojra Timeout. Michira October Busumi. Abushia on the 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th of this month. Jengina Yako Equiapim Mountains. It's all about Okiapimai Ojra 2021. Abushia Chill Out Jujumedia Bebre na Shishaso. On the 14th, Chill Out Ojra Aquaba Day Out. On the 15th, Ayo Ojra Family Day Out. On the 16th, Chill Out Party Train. 17th, Meet Me There with Okuma 97.1 Radio. Chill Out Ewa Ekropon Ekapim Enkane Abrantia Anes and Assisi Abedan Chill Out no Yawo Divisional Police Officer in Chemupe. Chill Out say Odre Bra Niendi Mom 2021 Ojra Festival Ewa Chill Out Restaurant Wakopon Ekapim Oria Kayo Yawo Niania Wudu Bebre both local and continental Ewa Chill Out Eji Odre Ebeye Desrungu Eya Chill Out Ojra Timeout.
Oh, that's the one in the building.
Kaya Sajumadier, it is being powered by Okumai 97.1 Radio, Yani Chill Out Restaurant, and Akabum, any day, bro. Aqua Basrugo, a Chill Out Restaurant, and a refreshment.
Me mami awo dey be. Me need dia me to ache no. I was say me pe ade a edem shronko. E ma kwa no afiwe. Me pe African Print Fabrica eye fe dia cheche wo mawari ase.
Oh, medo. Ye kwasra da weekend yi. Ese to shirt for mano.
Ko wudin retail stores e wo men ha ba bia. Na kwaje wo wudin ntuma edem shronko. Ana se entade ye di designs edem fu na pempam de deda. Wo ko fodia. Ye retail shop e wo Antarctic Plaza building.
Woodin, le créateur.
Ready my basa power. Chese wede na aka na nsa ped babe. Wo friends and aduan fo chese MC Kran sem basa bi no ka kire. Ama my basa mi hunu amiyem.
Me do kan wa koma to yem. Me ne Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. Ni you live pub and restaurant din komo dada. Wedding, funeral, float, anase parties ahodo a. Omutimi hihye dwumadi esronko ma ne ya akono. Eba sound system, lighting, canopy, nkonwa any tables a. Owo ni dosopo wo ho.
Chese one and that woman very ni imagine fefe sa no
one eba stage kura dia wo be ma stage sonko eno ani Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. You like pub and restaurants so why a crowd say enuane papa ene nsa papa wo de be hwa ho e de amount wo man fie kuapem omo ben Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. And you like pub and restaurant omobema wedding no ayekiko hesa ne anoko mata ne was
oh I want my many aje
happy people when peace like a river.
Honey, me we abusumi anani o. Esese me san kwa adwuma. Na bom school papa be so me be mama me. Ne metumi akoya adwuma asumdwe mu. E na me dwen hu ye o.
Me do, ade wonti Peace Montessori in Ghana. Omoji nkwala 54 man, crèche, KG, primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori, our accessible location. Wasanso wo world secure compound. Asanso wo school bus asambre baby abofra no wo bia wo ba befa no. E de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition, any care there. Wontimi omo wodamu befua.
Peace Montessori. Enye one wo hostel junction hostel echi ho no. E ho de ni amate kra ne se. Wo hwe mufra ye na teacher ba ko fa mufra 12 me kire mufra du miempe.
Sa pepepe Peace Montessori. E wo ekropon ekwapem. So wo pese wo ne omo kasa e wo ahomatrofo so a. Ana se oje nchemu bi a frɛ number si 05058292661 and 0200177676 and 0279267523. Peace Montessori ana.
Wadomo fra keke.
Peace Montessori ana.
One teacher, 12 students.
Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. On Common Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya. Common Radio 97.1.
I don't go in and no may. I don't go in and net. You want and fauna. In the Asana or Fenchiaka. Son of you, Jambian. Shanano Triabos. From the anti day.
On Common Radio 97.1.
Farming while we put out that
Common Radio 97.1. On Common Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. Why you say, or Professor Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend of Yo, Radio Bacopa don't person with Tia, intimate to be a Okuman FM, 97.1. Hi, who needs size?
So much I'll share me the waffle. Hurry up. Was so much I'll share me the waffle. Hurry up. Was so much I'll share me the waffle.
On Common Radio 97.1.
Hurry up. Was so much I'll share me the waffle. Hurry up. What's so much I'm shining off Hurry up. What's so much I'm shining off
On Common Radio 97.1.
Sherry.
Man, I won't put
What's so much I'm shining off
Common Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya. Common Radio 97.1. Common Radio 97.1.
When you say what family waiting, no whoop up, but me said, be a Sherry, all the boss shall share me the waffle. Sherry, all the boss shall share me the waffle.
On Common Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. Why you say, or Prekasa Jan Edu, and some follow man friend. Yo, radio Bakopedo, Pesa Utia, intimate to baby, Fat Okuman FM, 97.1. Hi, we need size. Yo, Okuman FM. Why you say, or Prekasa Jan Edu, and some follow man friend. Yo, radio Bakopedo, Pesa Utia, intimate to baby, Fat Okuman FM, 97.1. Hi, we need size.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey, Okuma Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey, Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. Why you say, or Prekasa Jan Edu, and some follow man friend. Yo, radio Bakopedo, Pesa Utia, intimate to baby, Fat Okuman FM, 97.1. Hi, we need size.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
rocking. We are blazing.
Timachi break. Odomu break. Eja maido. Eja maido. Eja maido. Eja maido. Minute sanansini. Okonoria. Odamin tintemu. Minute sanansini. Okonoria. Odamin tintemu.
We are blazing. Alcoma Radio 97.1. It's this way, man. Alcoma Radio 97.1. Alcoma Radio 97.1. Alcoma Radio 97.1. Akropon Kapim. Alcoma Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, or Plagasa Jan Edu, and St. Poloman and friend. Yo, radio Bacopedo Pesa with Tia, intimate baby, Fat Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, Unisai.
Wusu Unisai, Sekurasa Wutie. Angono meaning ono. Ade. Vamos. Give it to them. Na mami momo di enchia applause for adwumayefo amu nyina ya chechi amo afi adwumayefo amu wo wudin mo ho tesan mi jabi di se mo ho ye pa. Thank you. Na minchia aye ekwapum rural bank manager so ba akopa wo edukrom ya from Madam Edina minim se somebody dia wutie pa wo bu adwuma enso wutie yai na echina nyampa sie nyina ye nimu se omampani narado dankwa akufuado oni aye empani bebre fia ba mu bebie aye wo krom ha enti so person hu pa dia ma radio no ngusuwa na Okuman 97.1 Isane se yen eni ehwe yetie eni ekasa mo okuapeman ye be koso bia no pin pop kra to fema ye be momate. Hey taxi driver toto driver wutie me woso asamre wo bu adwumade de bo amagana sa wo ye mesini ana sa samre wo ye shoemaker adwuma bia wo ye bia wo tie kasafidie samre wonya mfomoso okra eha na Ghana fo se ne yeden wo na sports team na crowd mami can few messages bi aba we ya fano Samuel Amponsa Pabi we mi kan fi Facebook I see amen Someone Ponsa Pebi Kroya. Also, we are watching you live from Latte Equiapum. Latte into Ukete, and your barrier. Never Minchia, a champion, Humano. I say, boss, you do all. A Jackasian Coma DJ OJ. After you see your friend Clinton Enoch. Mirofi Eswojaman, watching you live from Eswojaman inside Atimpoku Akosomo. I am Clinton Enoch. And I offer Maswell, sir. God bless you. Nyakupon Shroud, so offer Maswell. Keep your messages coming through. Aye, Okumai 97.1 ewo Facebook. Okumai 97.1. Ubehu action live. Niye kosu studio muha. Afe Instagram so Okumai 97.1. YouTube so sa Okumai 97.1. Niye kosu bia. Ubenya live. Ewo social media handles are media to go in na. I'm also see us about the sports update, you know, at the bro, our baby, I will be a sports team, no, at say, and Calvin, Nana, Amponsa, Eddie, and what's us, we are BBA say,
the finest, BBI fine, now,
as a mass son, now, me started say media saka crab, you say, hey, Famomo, aye. Ejino Sabria yadi mo sending a tea, sending a safatano, and the latest over the world of sports. Yeah, Fefi.
The finest, say Saturday day anyway.
Okay.
The Black Stars of Ghana, Ejina Kono, a World Cup qualifier against Zimbabwe. And then so the boy meet Tobo Black Stars and Zimbabwe and a boy and a bastard of Ghana Cape Coast Sports Stadium and I'm paying for to me Association Brasona and a National Sports Authority and so in some area better abonting ejrema a man for a moon printed ticket for a tono and they abono babinya into the finest in some of Black Star squad and also when you say Coach Milo it's made a provisional 33-man squad by and they were shine so Amanaka 27 why they free mo why they womb
okay I wish you more from us so FM Kelvin Nana Amponsa Eddie Abra or day sports update every or Aquaba drive you so
Right, Okuma 97.1 radio. Yes, so no, a good year samba kumienu, yes, to me, and fan to jam, and so and fan my tier 40, and I say, and call and fan man, and no courage man, head of sports, say, yes, so no, and then you may, what's my bobo and 7 annual, mention me to me at the airpa, when we say, and then in 7 adults, no moment, yes, sir, never Sautino, and then I bring a donin, so no, yes, to me at the tuja, and so no, to me at the my tier 4, yeah, so our Ghana wins and 7 on the weekend, the Black Stars of Ghana, and so Jina Konoa, and then on Zimbabwe, and also at the airport, yeah, and Yasim Kuma, on say no, a World Cup qualifier, Cassia and Ghana, so no, a year calf, at my say the yen sono yen to me and fanboy ni na Ocha and Ghana team na coach and the answer at the Milovan Rajivag and he only me 33-man squad. And Yami Chadom was mentioned so answer to me I be PML 27 na Papa so nim so bet my call I go Cape Coast Nani Amasono at my call the Black Stars of Ghana and so ha and also Enyasim Kuma and Yempe that first year she said 27-man squad coach and the coach Milo and so the Babon you bet me Amaya Saka then so to me there two job and so no at me at my tier 4 dia Yankwana fin so no first squad no and to me and fan two job and fan mamu goalkeeper so no I am yensa goalkeeper and the other Richard Atta and so no how to folk and also no and they what you join team no Samson Abrante and the and so they a year no Jojo a year walkout and so no else Sweden Town and also at me aba Samson Abrante and the and so no at me at the Lawrence Atizigi Ono so no etimi agye. No way, I don't know Alex, I don't play Blaster team na. Lawrence Atizigi. Ono so etimi join in Ghana squad na. And also no enya Simkuma enso ewo ho. Nyetwe ni defenders no so a coach Milo enso etimi atonsa enso no etimi ede afromo Philemon Bafo of Dreams FC. Ono so ene yetimi amainteni no enso ewo ho Abdul Babaraman enso ewo ho a eno so no enya Simkuma Andy Yadom esena kan Edman Redding. Ono so etimi ajoin Black Star team na enya Simkuma Jonathan Mensah enso etimi ajoin team no eno so aya Simkasi eno so etimi eba yetimi ede to yetefo ni defenders no Alexander Jiku of Strasbourg. Ono so etimi aba sanso ne no Abranten din enso na de Papa Idrisu enso Real Mayoka. Ono so etimi ajoin team na eno so yetimi ede to yetefo nim sanso na Abdul Ganiu eni na kama for Gobria amfa Abdul Ganiu eni yetuma drop no enso from the Blaster squad eno so ne sama enso ebo oba enso Eli Firiwo Abranten ni de Daniel Martin Leicester City. Ono so etima ba Joseph Edo el Celta Vigo sanso ne Abranten ni enso de Gideon Mensah el Bordeaux. Omo nyina so no etima join Blaster squad midfielders no Thomas Partey el Arsenal sanso na Emmanuel Omote el Amiens Mohamed Kudus el Ajax Amsterdam Majid Ashimeru el Anderlecht Kofi Chire el St. Pauli el Germany Abranten ni de Abdul Fattah Ishaku esena kind of Steadfast SC esena Ghana forward ni Benjamin Tete el Yami and Matthias Spor el Turkey sanso na Caleb Ekuban Genoa Italy. Also etima ba Jordan Ayew and so Crystal Palace el England Samuel Usu el Al Fayed and so no el Qatar Abranten ni ade Yaya Boa the boy in the player no Yaya Boa el Wislam el Kroskov and so now Poland and after Joe Familia and so no Orenberg Sulemana Abranten ni Kamal Dean Sulemana and so no el Nino Rene el France now after so Andre Rami Morgan Didayu and so no Alsara and also no el Nino Qatar yetuma tunsa and so no etumi ede afrena yede atu yetiefu anim na ene no interesting story ba Gladson Awako the finest na kama phone is Abranten no ebebo ade ama has register no for CAF Champions League le ni ade report we have to get team say tinton time Abranten to Olympics and so etuma terminating the contract to Hearts of Folk member ni yan Abranten no Hearts of Folk and has a terminating contract no Olympics ni yan say and she say Hearts of Folk and Olympics square no and it has so end to end so omuchirima tinton time yetuma terminate contract na ba na awia na ye na PRO adema Olympics say din komo chirima ane amne has sinkonya e chirimu sa Abranten mo pena sika ni yesi mumetua has for chirima omumetua ni installment omuchemu mienu ma omutua fa the final kind omuma up to 2nd of October omumetua omumetua deal no na fin to player no so no ma ye den omaje omade has igitu mu ama hye ntumi ko so ene da ben the finest
and exactly on the 5th day the month of October
is the second night then atwam
3 days abeto so
Olympics terminate contract na Gladson Awako and you know House of Folk ekutwa mu twetia no manya mo jompa ne nika nyina san aka wanzam no
and asama to has eti Gladson your coin says here
say wasan about Olympics
na kotokoso omo mpe no
kotoko de storm sika sam no omo hwe say omo so omo top 10 omo top 9
kotoko
ewie ya ba kwa be kan the boy where away
okay
ewie ya ba kwa be kan
enchena the boy ye beto bi aka ho an say
kwa me yinchia eye tiefo na omo kwa we say e da sorry ye no enyom ni enyom na sorry ye de nyame ase
the boy for me player na to so 9 no your friend Sharif Mohammed
kwa me ogoka Ghana agukansi mu asemu a na mo se won kan no kure kwa me House of Folk for omwini kuro mensan omwini ombobo baako mienu so no mwini cup mensa na kwa me ye de opina ade ye kuro ye de to ko mu no chin ene ye de mom opina
ubobo na wi e ba
chin
kwa me na ba chin ye de mom o chin ye de mom
kwame
o meda ye da fie fa o de ne esomwo emu odu na no se ne yete no bia na meda
kwame de ne da chimi be ka se ma che me ma no no kwa na efechi ne has fo nya ye no akro fam fo ne omo ye da no kra no sa chain no
ba tournament the match no amafofo am fix me mebobo
okay
o mebobi
you end na yempe fridge ene Iceberg Emra Park ne so na ye kwame ayi me eba national team aspect be support to Germany and Brazil.
Okay.
Yeah, Ghana hano since me say bra Here in Zimbabwe never born. Kwame, Brian Jina Naso, Brian Jina Naso. I qualified to the World Cup. I could have best players Zimbabwe for Asia. Omu yefi African Cup mu. Lives of Michael Essien no mo, John Mensah no mo, Richard Kens. Mr. Omu share African Cup. Omu no mu yefi mu.
Zimbabwe.
Me na me catch now. Biso bia 2 omu ye nkoso na ene team ya tete apansama. Ya go fa Milo ya tuntontro nyina tokure dada to yi. Yes, I number.
Na eno yes a Milo no.
Milo no. Kai. Wei, come me say onipa na the 3-man squad. And a cofa Milo iba o si dey selection kura ka say play we ha. As we drop Ghana, one of the finest players and Anedi ka say we have an movie. Or yes in place we Virginia Park so bono. Right. So mem catch or yes in place we play. Come me say obi o say Ghana for your football na tete apansam no say ye share this season Premier League na the 29th. Ye share sia me say ni pan say on share from kick to end. No let the players no masana. Ye mpanyi fo no mutie wu. Me na me catch hwe Kwame e be na Ghana Black Star atete apura pansam but omo ye niema Fred Papa be catch omo ye niema to the sense say ye ka say Black Star for American meeting Friday Thursday no mko me say omo Friday Thursday no mko
players no
me na me catch ene ba ne sen ene yakofa goalkeeper esi obo team no team be team no obo no I say sebe okwa amoso na apasare ho na okwa adenya team na di ball goalkeeper no
na the boy walk order
to say
na we with TV
na we say down be me ba no ka just say Bermuda ono kire ma say good
okay
me ba no me say I say okwa apasare na wadwa na okwa adenya
fina na die ya no person tete oya die ni wi anu wa behwe
na
osre
akwafo kobo ya si ball nye o mza kobo no foforo no hwe ba bia kobo ball no ase yetu galamse wo
won park no
ase yetu galamse na we ye bo se na ye so kwabrane na $100 ho na Ghana football akodu
the finest mami fancy and I send command and no courage my head of sports
right
or heavy baby will be on the chef akufu boating
right
omo heavy pa
jam ewie o mama heavy
e omo dwane jam ewie but ni nyina kan obi na
e che o mapani ba nti o ma
to mo yes se o mapani
si em so mapani ba nti
e che o mapani ba
okori akoto mpa bo afoforo Jeff se nyefe
me te se Jeff se waje mpa bo no ne
me say jam na egu me say
egu eni
kwa mpanyi be amafo go yi omuti so wo hwe Tonia
enya me no
na wo hwe mani mi ni a chale
mpanyi ojira
wo hwe biti ni mani mi ya chale
go for person bu shi o
say Yesu nim na oba na dwi na mpanyi ama have ni enya nko
eno na amafo say rapture na aba yes your friend social media pandemic but you create the finance mami cha akosi ansano jesu no I have your negativity mi na mi cha house for sports and food joint
na yeah ka mo so say Samri Okuma is live on Facebook ni Okuma 97.1
yes
and oko YouTube so Okuma 97.1
okay
and oko Instagram so Okuma
971 bajo kan
the finest and mama we say me ba
me say susu bi o
enya YouTube ambacho kaniye anya YouTube
what want
mante ane me
na me kama asa home ba we say teacher phone na you say na teachers day da bo nim na Ghana teachers day
wala ka asa me say me
teachers no teacher focus school na farmers day mo teacher for atena fie
na say Mother's Day nya holiday
me say farmers day
Mother's Day kwa nya holiday jino
farmers day ma teacher for atena fie na
Mother's Day nya holiday
teacher for go school
okay
so no the what must say teachers day you say teacher for go
school farmers day
ma teacher for atena fie
me na say Mother's Day nya holiday
it's my teacher for nya you can say happy teachers day and I can say ya we show teachers day na ya sorry so why
happy teachers day
me that no me fan bia
etino Okuma you live on Facebook
teacher for ni bia
madam you live on Facebook Facebook you know mo betimi dey
say me use school
Facebook comment so aba Facebook Facebook, very active. You know, we bet me do Facebook messages and so abba. If you call YouTube and so and also no obobo modia ahwe ne ekoso bia o studio mu aso afa your mom modia call Instagram
the man to say man no Instagram
I'm say Instagram okay Instagram or Instagram mom modia na
am na di kai na makai teacher ni bi no cha de woni fa waka ba bi na okotin kon na ojina kwa no de I'm going to tie con na ojina ka na betina ka da bi yanko tie con ojina ho 5 kobo why don't I say tinko?
Anyway, nana yenyina so na ye momodia emfa asem sebe segment no so emfa pay etiefo so abusia ya call the world of sports the latest and update in the world of sports abre where we are ye gina so ne the asem sebe enso abre asem sebe ne group CEO ye mame Salome ekasai anopai na odwan hyehyɛ ne omampani ba no shoe fabric won hyehyɛ nyina no abushia wanya bi enti anopa na tie.
Everybody has something to do and a part to play to ensure that we can all celebrate our heritage together. Monday, we're there coding classes. Coding classes is so the whole plan or the whole idea is that we'll teach kids to get interest in IT, in computer language and software development. It's not about the show how to do it, but it's just to generate the interest because sometimes IT is allocated to men, and there are very smart girls also around. So the idea is to have classes with these kids to make sure we can generate interest from all angles. So that's from Monday and Tuesday for JHS students. All those who are interested can come and register at the command review. And coding Monday and Tuesday. Before we go to Wednesday, that before Wednesday, I just wanted you to reiterate there. And Kwalana we are interested in the coding classes. I'm going to register with a command review Monday and Tuesday. So they can register this week so that we can start with classes on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, Wednesday, we best starting health screening. Wednesday, we need Zico Foundation for the breast cancer screening. Palace for Culture. Thursday, we need health screening is continue, but this time it's a general health screening. Yeah, on the same Thursday, there are other few activities. We are going to walk. So there's a health walk, right? We are going to walk from the Coupon to Amanokro and then back. So everybody who's interested in walking and having fun, it's good for the health. It's good for the body. So we are calling on people to join us in this health walk. It's Thursday early morning. On the same Thursday, the Australia Young Football Soccer Tournament is starting. We have a 2-day soccer tournament. It's starting on Thursday and it's ending on Friday. So Thursday will be the opening match. I think the Peter can tell you the team. Same Thursday, there is inter-school art exhibition. So there are selected schools there, 6 art pieces on how they interpret the Papiman, and we're going to exhibit these pieces at the Palace for people to go and take a look at it from Thursday. And you may so there were jazz nights or Flipper. Yes. So that takes us to Friday. Friday, we're going to start the day by greening the road. So we're going to have a tree planting exercise led by Otiadele. So same Friday, we have an eye screening at the forecourt of the Palace. So all those who have eye problems, Lions Club is bringing their machines to come and test their eyes. And then we have inter-school quiz competition. And this is also happening at the forecourt of the Palace between 6 schools. So we are going to ask questions about history of the Fatima, general affairs, about anything that is relevant for the kids. That's what we're going to be asking about. So the quiz is also going to be very exciting. All the schools are going to participate. So we encourage everybody to be part of this special fun. Yes, in the afternoon there is Mr. and Miss Okwapima at Trigger. And then the football tournament award ceremony happens on the PTE field. Yes, so I think the final activity for Friday is beach soccer at Cinema Waterfall. And then in the evening, we have a flip bar live band plus Bubbles Entertainment jam at the forecourt of the palace. Then we go to Saturday. So Saturday morning, we have 3-a-side basketball competition. We want to organize a playground for the kids to play. And then the biggest activity of Saturday is from dance competition. Okay, and then in the evening, there's a street jam in collaboration with Bubbles Entertainment, Okoman Radio, and the organizing team of Udra. So that's Saturday. There's always a lot of activities happening at Kleber as well, same time in the evening. And that takes us to Sunday. We finish the Saturday first, if I go ahead. Thanksgiving service in the morning, and then after church, we are heading to Okoman Radio to have Umutu special fun time with Okoman Radio. And then in the evening, we have a boxing event at the forecourt of the palace. That's how we climax the Sunday and the end of the activity. So the boxing is the climax of the event.
The boxing.
Kwame, Omutu na. Kwame, nanti salo waya de boxing no yenya ye contestant dada. Amo ene obe. Amo ni obe omuna. Say omune muka say piridi binari na. Underbout. Okay, underbout. And then Akropon Anthony Joshua. Akropon Anthony Joshua.
That's underbout na you never started.
Akropon Anthony Joshua. Amo
any obe.
And Koko Asime Weda.
What do you know now?
Oh, me a judge. Me a judge from.
I was on the boxing promoter. Donkey. Let me say my part of my say no kind. I breast I screening. Okay. Maybe they don't know.
I remember say you fear and man the best screening.
Don't even do anything.
Anyway, we no na obo modia any shoe fabric no e ho asem enso etoaso na se chan omampani ba no ba yes
nanado dankwa kufuado ochima PSA okuaman ka chiri
ne ba oba ni nyina no e ho hyehyei ene kwa fa so a shoe factory nyame adom abehwe okuapeman mumi entie no
for some time now, and this has been something that Africa or Ghana or parts of West Africa is experiencing. We've never really had a good factory that produces quality shoes from this part of the continent. When you go to Ethiopia and that side, leatherwork is their specialty. So you see a lot of companies from Europe and everywhere going there to make their shoes to go and sell back in the international market. But when it comes to this type of this part of the continent, we are always importing from China. And whether it's good quality or not good quality, I think we don't have much of a choice. There has been some local productions going on, but I think it's not on a large scale. And the one that was on a large scale also did not really survive. So I think from our point of view, the plan is, can we set something up that has the international appeal, that has the quality, that has the standards that you can take anywhere in the world and it will pass, and still use local people, local talent, resource local as much as you can to develop the country, develop the people, and bring something beautiful out to the world. I think Okofon has always been the heartbeat of what we want to create and what we want to develop. We start always from the home, right? So that's what. If you know the genesis of shoe fabric, we actually started it in Kumasi, but it never really took off because that is not where it's supposed to be. And the minute we decided to bring it to Okofon, the energy and everything came, and we put together what we have placed now there. So. Okofon has always been at heart. We want to develop the people, we want to grow the community, we want to make sure that we can get the best possible talent and produce the best possible things out of Ekopon. We're going to start with the production of security boots, safety shoes, school shoes, and then we'll go into casual shoes. Casual shoes are sneakers and all those kind of sandals, sneakers, and all other casual ways. So that's the order of which we're going to start production. Currently, we're hiring about 44 people, 50 indirect, and the goal would be to increase that to 100 per shift, and then create about 1,500 indirect jobs.
And you know, Group CEO, and what is or Casano, Chemo, Nyampa, Echna, shoe fabric, you know, senior man penny, baby, piano, Nefini, Padro Cra, Yebefa, and if you know more, Aquiniano, Echo Basse, Omunya, bedroom or Mubibri, Aquania Bibri, so, Kakamo Waka, Wabiavo.
Kwame.
Okay.
Yeah, more shoe fabric and penny for Bazo. I'm just a low. Maybe I will be a child. Or Casani and Nami say, Oprah Winfrey, Nekasan and Brofono. Super heavy.
What's the name of the wine?
Oprah Winfrey. Yeah. The black richest woman in the world.
The boy, yeah.
What
yeah.
The
bro father.
Yeah. Oh, move out. In fact, your back camera for
that.
Me can't. Yes, Christo nam no ntade o tani nyina no oba opa no friend Salome. Yeah.
Oba no pam
Yesu. Yeah, no pam Yesu ntade no.
Then ade ayi
omo de omo nsa na ye.
Omo nwene.
Yeah, omo nwene. Ti say, e say that na me can say jalabia. Na me can say Islamic dress. Jeff grab can be so Islamic dress. Because of the omote stress ntino on emoti baby atutu wo ntino na om dresses asere be atutu no ntimi ya ntino sa ma no nyom bia atete ne din no na wonam se good ntino I think say ye mo na ba so aya de na Kwame de bia ye kan say sebi adwuma eni okwapema mu adwuma ni okwapema adwuma no na aba no sebi me no ye ma ye kota se emfa nipa mra utimi show no bi say adwuma no start ye no or you pay yes adwuma no start yo or dress a hine betua no yes Kwame yen trust asesu mu brasa se adwuma ban yes be sen koye bi wonya adwuma ne wo sha adwuma na se ye wo se a hine betua meka ale se wa wo mo bra yes ndino Kwame you know mas no ochema panyi bebua no wia o se ebe shoes ni ade Kwame ni scientific Monday may free kakra good say ade me free bebre shoe bia ma she bia no made in Ghana. Every shoe I put it on here.
Also say
shoe be a shape.
There be cabrofuna or calibio.
Yeah, every shoe that I put it on here.
Yeah,
is made in Ghana.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, the vice president Salome. That's right. Omampenyi kwa. First year security boot.
Ope bi ashe.
That be nyame. Me request am me am boss. Master Mo.
As a namo amo super.
Oh, champion security.
Na me mutimi ni me amo enyesa.
The fire makao.
Oh, Biti. Master Mo ye chiao. Yeah, maybe I will.
Chief security.
I have you.
Security boot. You have to customize. Not just a Master Mo down.
I say I'm bano.
Why just only penny for media grow?
I say COVID-19 protocols ni nyina so no ye ni so. Yeah.
All right. Abusia mama mi mo omampani bano ehihye san ka ho. Mo me mo wi na ye fi adwenkyire ni nyina ensi ho.
Kwada ye de ni tre ukwapememu you make the brain ekoso ukwapememu enti we de nyame aduma Wednesday the president will be on the Ukwapem Ridge, so there's going to be massive crowd ye de besia omampani Ukwapem Ridge there ye ne say obedika any ebrihine any adonten ahemfo edin komo owieta ordinary kire Ukwapem Technical and Vocational Institute owura obi amwane aban no esinu ebri ordinary ekotrem ehona wako paho entoma yame aduma ukwada owieta no ordinary ekre ekropon Ukwapem ohia Ukwapem hene ene ahemfo ewo Ukwapem nyina ewo the palace wo na nyoma nanado aban aye no ode abubobi so akyereye na wohwe Ukwapem Secondary School kohwe adan agodo a omapeni na ban apregu a ogusua ukoma from prefect abanso atwa so miensa ni na no we see esi ho be a dormitory be a classroom block we call it a fufro kra we see esro la pesro kama pa very beautiful senior high school we call benkum project ekoso we call mansina project ekoso we ba senko edutech project ekoso we call nifa project ekoso iti abane nyoma bebre iti na me aduma na danko kufuado aba for the first time Kropon township the coin asphalt pana ye betu abano or the two so ma won se na wonam so a e your phase 2 beba na no so afa kufu road wa ekosi Lafayette Junction ndi akosi manfi ndi ani na no ma peni bedi e ho komo oba na owie pe ordinary extra shoe fabric equipment shoe factory as part of the one district one factory many abedi akune ni penifo ka ba ho emwesin wo ekropon ekwapem na me aduma obekona wakopa ho entuma na shoe factory no ebeye no ma bebre for the first time we are going to produce army boots Ghana ha police boots Ghana ha football boots Ghana ha school form kwara shoes shoe fabric be producing work the couple equipment higher apart from direct jobs almost about 100 plus jobs we be creating indirect jobs we are talking about thousands of jobs because a man be alpha shoe na that from your factory area or around the factory the better shoes ni bi or the be called market centers or the whole region Ghana ina ene amanone it is going to open up the economy of a Kropon na etime aboa okwapman ewie commissioning na ye de ni tre okre municipal assembly ye friend Edukrom Jubilee Palace and I be so say okre Jubilee Palace se pa ewo police station Edukrom police station wono okona wako commission sa edifice no na ye okrema edi tuma ewie a de ukwada ewiwede no abenewie.
Right, no abushia yenyina na mutie no mote enhyehyɛ omampani enhyehyɛ a ɔde nam akina baby obɛhyɛ ase afie ni baby ɔde bɛba bɛwie momye mo ne tofa baako 1 minute each na yen sorry
what's it
1 minute
okay
o ka say kra seconds because
na me say what stitches as the man telling them Kwame I think say me oka ademu bono na nyame nkonko di bibi to makoma so but me nka ne dem ha
o be ka che
am the man for me de ne me de ne say adwuma esan ba okwapama mu bio ya hwe be madwu mu brebi say edu anopa kwese da anopa meyeti akọ ton ama asofo na eko preach anopa no so fo kwese da anopa ndidi na akọ for pulpit nti shu yi bai afato me so asofo a me ko mu so dem ko ya asore ebi mu shu wato are nti me be bro papa je o de afene so amuntu ameka so de mi asofo 100 number 1 50 cities ya 50 by 100 afe with me iskani a police for yi da no me kai e share okre endorsement na say the police papa ya otaba yo national security na waka say da no kan police for papa boy eto ahi na say kro mu chesi akromfo a o mutumi nchi o mu why lazy no okwa na lazy na yi enti we dey ye be ye police for papa boy okwa man mu dia tested one no try one no ye fa ko mo na jomo so hwe
ye ma okwa pe for
police ebo mi chia no na eja enkansa na master pia Chamu nyina
Ben
Ataja ne daru chia no inside ho no she inside ho den
no so a big man
okay big man okay and madam for inspector Bala
I don't know secretary to a commander
okay commander secretary okay ti should me susu say we to committee ya ususu on ka say mehye there be susu say first one na be ye no dem fa mom free police for there no
eno ya de awo de
mi susu ye say committee ya susu
want me ube susu
me ka say me susu say
susu afa radio no so
say dem panyi for home beti
all right nanadi ne 1 minute now so
the finance my more an issue fabric in penny for about so CEO Otenenka obi bia o involved ora Papa Sare and Dr. Opoku Benson ye more maba so say no more to me de sa jumadi chenchirinche so it ma pay mu okwapman me masem nya meka say the youth a Kropon okwapman should involve ourselves into this yesun ache and ejuma no
no
yes ejuma ba yes involve ourselves na yentumi nye bibi emfa mbo kwa ma ene yen ankasa ye ho tene be ya yeso abrabo no yebetime nya baabi ya den ejina but in all no yembo odipa kwa odisa adwin we bae onya sansusu yeso obeboa amokwa ma tuma ko nanim no yembo maba so na yankopon chembe but boot no there still see you and Jeff money at the end still customize no Mr. Mo customize no na
oka na yese sebe menya politics that's where politics ebrebi abanba abanko na ye matches factory matches nye kan matches nye pan tewo no ebe ye history the whole Ghana
matches boy pan is
they be one ma the find on some timpa where you shoe ena sebio aba
right me da say the boy o ma na be so kakaga
say me kuma to me yam
all right me da say
na indirect jobs wo dey enka samba akopɛ drivers tem bia ye fa car ekonkran ekofa ne ama won aso afia brochira ba ne dey aba ha bedigua che say me kuma mu ye medel kire say sesi amanfo be finkran ani wiase miai
aba beto
afra basoro ha o si wa beto yen so ye ne ama oh yo
all right me da say 57 after 4 I wish you Assam Saber and sports update. Yeah, the Abrewa we. Encha the Almighty Okuman Court. Ebabdo. Watch a chair. But ye nyum kakra.
My radio 97.1.
Give me wine.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yes, Officer Ghana Edu and St. Paul man and friend. Yo, radio Bakopedo Pesetia, intimate to be a Okuman FM 97.1. Ah, we need size.
Okuman Radio 97.1. Okuman Radio 97.1. Station where your man can get Okuman Radio 97.1.
Baby, sexy, oh baby, come on. This doll is for you. I have to cry. One name number one, no baby. One name number one. One name number one, no baby. One name number one. One name number one, no baby. One name number one. One name number one, no baby. One name number one.
And the next song on what if I'm rocking, we are blazing.
I made you, Fatima, Asana, Kubura, Jane Matana Sansa, Monkey of Baba Niki Sayada, Neon Gobe Chibi Yata Kulumagana, she's a Masabusa, we come here, Masabusa,
my radio, 97.1.
Masayana, oh, Karija, Suchiana, Karija,
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yes, or Plakasa Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio Bacopedo, Pesa Utia, intimate to be a fat Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, who decide?
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Unyamia bono set of it. Mafina no wapi. Semi una makumetu. Nitoni musuki. Semi una na mewu. Miguel no. Unyamia bono set of it. Mafina no wapi. Semi una makumetu. Nitoni musuki. Semi una na mewu.
97.1 FM is rocking. We have pleasure.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yes, or Plakasa Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio Bacopedo, Pesa Utia, intimate to be a fat Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, who decide?
Yeah, you look so beautiful. Yeah, oh, tomorrow, Mr. Moon. Yeah, you look so beautiful. Yeah, oh, tomorrow,
Radio 97.1.
Yeah, you look so beautiful. Yeah, oh, tomorrow, Mr. Moon. Baby, now we are no Yamito, Mama. Yamito, come and dance with me. Come up on your fiole, Maria Egata. Come up on your yale, Chami Ami Nakana. Oh, and on to my shame.
Miami Christian of Faya, no, o sempre que tô se batu macotia me for proceding up to preference. Malacasa, many super me. Move from me. Malacasa, many super me, or many super me.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Move from me.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio
97.1. No, don't cut your door. Get to 40 years, 24 friend, and you're 29 for somewhere new, so Jimmy, Nina, Cascala, Malamo, or Sofo, Akura, and Siaga, somewhere me, no Jimmy, Nina, Cascala, Malamo, or Sofo, Akura, and Siaga.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuman Radio, 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, or Pekasa Jan Edu, and St. Paulo Man, a friend. Yo, radio Bako Pedo Pesa Utia, intimate to be a fat Okuman FM, 97.1. Hi, we decide.
Okuman Radio, 97.1. Okuman Radio, 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, or Pekasa Jan Edu, and St. Paulo Man, a friend. Yo, radio Bako Pedo Pesa Utia, intimate to be a fat Okuman FM, 97.1. Hi, we decide.
Mimi, you judge yourself. Okuman, you so na the power. Meja kase Okuman asokwa chumoye jijete le to bar to bu afa pa Meja kase Okuman asokwa chumoye jijete le to bar to bu afa pa
Okuman Radio, 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, or Pekasa Jan Edu, and St. Paulo Man, a friend. Yo, radio Bako Pedo Pesa Utia, intimate to be a fat Okuman FM, 97.1. Hi, we decide.
Meja kase Okuman asokwa chumoye jijete le to bar to bu afa pa
Okuman from Abankenyo Kenya kra masebe bia uni size wati.
Yeah, well, from the Kwabna Body, if you go with Bakupe, Okuman Radio 97.1, number one, but chill radio at 88, and you see the Duchem, Okuman Radio, and number one, so yabba, the challenge, the number of comes Ophir Pay.
Your family Frost, your day in day out to be a radio on that Okuman Radio 97.1. To Miss Lemo, we be a funny den to an in the mapa, or Emma Munina.
Okay, up in mind.
Mwa Modishia Abilokos, Captain Retire Bakope, Nana Jenya Mrebe Grodishie. Okuma Radio, they have come to stay. Oma Jim, Mantem when you now was so Paula Mantem, and so they almost seen the camp for cry. For radio to Okuma Radio, Netsie and the Paniako Nieko. What I say?
Your friend me Grace, Okuma Radio, you are the best, number one. Apara Mountain, so chedi count for Yenshia Moa, and Kebeding. Ruta, we are fantastic, and Kazakasa.
Your friend me Ajakwa Mitela, across Mansina Junction number 1. Now Kuma Radio ni depia yeti. Akuma Radio we are number 1. Nyamishrampa.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon for friend me Yaro. Munti Akuma Radio da edase.
Okuma from Bankenyo, Kenya Kra, must say the Pia, Muni size what?
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Only money, money, money. When we only money, yeah, we only money. Only money, me day. Me want on my ones, I can live. Only money, money, money. Yeah, we only money.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. Why you say, Opreke say Jan Edu, and St. Paul man a friend of yo, radio Bakope, don't say with Tia, intimate to baby, but Okuman FM, 97.1. Hi, Uni size.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. My say, Opreke say Jan Edu, and St. Paul man a friend of yo, radio Bakope, don't say with Tia, intimate to baby, but Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, Uni size.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio
Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, or Professor Jan Edu, and St. Paul man, a friend of yo, radio back up, I don't perceive with Tia, intimate to be a fat Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, winning size.
And you when you am the Womupa, Yanika na ya osi on channel. Na wu nika washa ya teteda. Any bria and soja. Any bria and soja. A lot of messages coming through. Maminko Facebook, Naminka messages kakra. I say big man, you do all from a Gabino. Taxi driver, I will cook kapem. Our farmers was a good work, sir. Thank you, sir. And at 12 us, latte. I say good evening, Nana Kwame. Good work by all standard. 12 us inside Safari. Okay, yeah, that's you. Ave Eric Tay. I say I'm watching live at AM Amphi Total Filling Station. Ye checha munyina wo ho. Moya mani ye fe. I know be so bro, this your dance dear. Hey. Asani dear minimum me na yen ka mano na eka. I know be so catch. God bless you. God bless you too. Clinton Enoch. I say watim poku. Ena otie yen. Osan hwe yen. I say, boss, you do a champo, you mano. Mahunina. Messages in the Mumfamra say, I'm in kind of a Godfred Kojo Amwa, Maconi. I say, good work, boss. Okay, thank you for also watching. And no contributions, so I appreciate it. So, adios here. Journey and Life. Ewo Okuma in 97.1. Facebook in Instagram, you Okuma 971. Baby, Alba Fabia social media handles and also now Okuma 97.1. Who bet me do messages enough for Facebook? Yeah, but Jim Rennie a kind of a fair amount. Meantime, dear Echina Yamipa or Mampeni and other down Kwakufuado. Everybody be Piemu Okuapememo. Sending and she said that one who did that. Obesha CF Bri, who have become a bedu chrome. Nefeni a safata says, or Mampeni, you know, why any pepe, not what commission, Numa Hudua. Or the chair a pure man term, Okuapeman. Nayan Suya Huria son of pepe. Na Angel, Okuma caught Babaswan is a Obano Bakoya Coco, Bakosu chocolate. Bako so Brazilian hair. Bako the Rasta somewhere in the papa. And now for Okruno so. Se Bible no homo. Se graphic no rikin kayo. Sani atibia. Obisi akata hi. Hey, taxi driver, trotro driver. Middle Brusso, what? Send ya one watch no. Coswana be a mito volume 50 pesos. Ebaya for 20 count and 70 pesos. Afa. All right, I will just vote me Mama Kwa Bibi Aboko there.
Yenu na also
enti sendra enti send ye tibia mefan sa.
Na me hwe me Instagram na. Me comments bi.
Almost say.
Muzo fosu yes peria pi wom.
Bacho, wait my men say na me man ene World Teachers Day.
Okay. Ya Canada na yeah asoma na ya kan say teachers no.
Ene teacher for man go school ana.
Man go school ana.
Ya go school me try dey.
What try dey now?
O friend me south is na me try.
Mantio.
Oh, yimi
ma.
There be mante.
Na o chere.
Madwi ni ho.
O chere den na o chere. Na teacher ni chere dey na ofosu o spare ni o pia. O kwa na o ba.
Ye teacher ni no send o message ni me pa cho.
Kwame, ya spare na.
Abofra what so betie.
Kwame, ni spare na QUAME.
Ofosu.
Ah, there be open sa dey na na ma fa otisi fa na na interest. Open sa dey.
Ada waka cho say.
Enu na nye verb.
Anyway, momi yemfa jumadi no.
Timeti eche
go share the verb.
One abre.
The boy there was
ya bre.
Go school go share the verb.
Ya teacher for ya bre.
Right, I was here. Emerald so say a day Okuman Court Ebrel Bakayo. It is brought to you by Kankatisi Acro Farms. Sanso na within Omadama. Any abomodia de Okuman Court Eddie Abrel baby. I will be na Samri. Okunube Kasa.
Kwame.
Yeah.
No kwasem.
Asem
me share what you for.
Omo Joso.
Me credit kakra. Me de browse no so. Omafa. Yeah, for you.
Okay, it didn't want to find.
I'm checking. I don't know what Facebook is. Boundary is loose.
Right.
Anyway, what is the problem?
You have got to us. So you made it so.
Yes, I am fine.
Okay.
Who's here no?
What the mom?
Yeah, Kwame.
Right.
Me name is no. Uncha a TF4.
How much?
Me name no. Says ya okọ enti me pe wasa me say.
Oh, bibi kakra bi.
I woke up my nyina me nkwa na me da.
Oh.
Dai.
Awo. Enye awo nye owo. We
awo.
Awo. Correct. Kwame. Bibi, me ma mi na te me nya bone. Afi ma mi sori a. No bo akuti anyum. Obo akuti anyum. Ah. Asi ma mi de na no bo akuti anyum yi. Say no say trap money so.
Ah,
you can housekeeping money no. Chop money so akutia and obome.
Ayo ye no.
I 500 Ghana cedi am the man no Kwame. 500 cedis ni so.
500 cedis.
Yes.
Eso amano.
Yes.
Bosome no.
Ah, Kwame.
Right.
Say so. Enti me no ho mo wase wo kwa. Kwame me kama no mo asem nyina chema mi. Se mama jayo na ni otu eyema. Me modin bo and I'm the shirt na me ma 500 and no crowd to be me kokoro me ba me didwa tomatoes brother I baku ye friend say dawa pepper turumukoko odo tofi gaji Abidjan Creton nguto na matoni nyina na me de aba enchiri nyina bo mo modin na mato na me de aba na 500 yi me de aka ho to be me kwa asenema makoto banchi ai baku ye friend sempo oh baku oh, Gary, I'm not telling you, I'm the big one more. Kwame,
who's some crazy.
500 year piece. Muna Miami, send a woman French miniature. No, so Oceano, opera, TV, CBO, minim, you on one of you, Wakakra. Oh, that day, Bonabana Maya, make a manu master, Mabusha Pena Bem, Edes. At the back of the Bayano, Michelle anymore, then the Jamaican, it's a permanent term. Said that, Edda Becca, Edda, I mean for 200 and count, then yes, 700. Where they walk as a ground warrior, and Praga woman, and Pena Janico. In Praga Canal, and Pena Janico, Elday. Yes, what Janico, and I'm Mr. Debbie, made the master Baba Damo. None of one, I mean, by the also was Sembi. I'm sending up young from Ramha. Na, Aja. Send your master do send you do or quiet no but good thing I know see what say baby I'm saying me
when you know
me you na nature
okay
me you na nature na down for mami break ande or no
mami dey
break ande
ni
ai edi am me dey am say
obo
ono dum kane ano
da bi obo within say ni di ni ana
I know see mami break ande ono dum kane ano
oh my your fro mami break ande
but one friend me say
na dey tin on the side
one friend saben one friend one friend Jason out down who cry abra jaja na many bra brain wo would me the many to me kuna nim
right
me the many to me kuna
David me nyam press here
and then me nyanka mo request nyom ma me wat
ya ma music request
asem ya ni ya ha me Eraba
yo
chese
asem menes
me the minimum asem bi na ho de me nka hwe aso bibis na se wiase pa wo adamfo suradamfo suradamfo mia suradamfo ishumanim
na ubuna ni chusa
ishumanim sorry craft one abetna sorry fi mi kunu nche na uma me ibado ora that's some krani
o de kawasem
aso bribi Erabe onye raba mpacho mira wo se wo friend dem po
mama gbe
kale no gbe kale wo hu ni mi kunu to wo fefefe nka award nsam mom de na mom wom no kra do kan de to de bia na niema munye ska na ode ba no mufra ba nan 500 cedis no wo kwan bi su nke ye nso edu ba bia na ho kire wom na me ni susu hu sei onfa bi nkan o se da onfa nkan eje na fusemi ha ina fusemi wo me so power ni so ma obia ina fusemi ya so na chacha do me ka wanu tumna me kama asam no ina fusemi ya me kan ya rabe se onu ni kuna na adwuma kra nso mi kuna adwuma o ma ne 1000 Ghana me ka apem sidi apem sa na me call me say who say or say me say me kunu ma me 1000 Ghana me bua na ote won wa som na no te say asoba yere asam ne ye me ya o mira mpacho why mira
don't cry, see my face. And she is many.
Only
money they mean you want me them more.
Mira mpacho
me o de ka wasem na manfo ntie na gya su crocodile tears
Rami say shamanim
eti ka wasem na mema ono so
also man 1,000 cedis na me say sa
mami mi sa no era ba ka sa de
pacho me kan
o ka che no
me kan adafo bonyo adafo petekal adafo koto
ya won sam ni ntitie mo ma
nti asam ni nyina ne say wo friend say sansam na okeka na eto mitimu no na bi oba no na meka Joanna yire no ama pare bi yire no na okuno osisiu chese de mesa na mesesa ameni ama se mi kuru me ne ka onti ase de mesesa ameni ama
chop money ho asem ti
sana
se wan fa bi anka ho mesesa oni ma
memo manyade
o de to aso ene kosi sen
mira hwemanim kakra
ene kosi sen
mira ena mesesa ameni ama no koe no na mira nso se o ma mensa ma bio ba chiri mi kwara ba ifia eja me kwasra ma adamfo mbe kwa ni kunu wo boso nansa na medu dem na mete se so no 1,000 Ghana no buo Mrs. Tanya 200 cedis to me mba me kawanu tu na me kama asem 200 cedis we ya sa wanya me ye dan amanye dan ade anka wo so nim se wo so ka ode na me so me kama asem pam 200 cedis na wode man
ono ya man 200 Ghana cedis
yeah no be that miss woman 1,000
kwame me friend sister no be say ono kan no so I on nukruma 200 cedis enti na yakwa wie no
okay mama mbisa no
mi rampa chowa mi kra na mu ati
pa na si ya sesi o mo de o mo ni biri wie o so
wie mi so yo
de ne ba
asam ni na ne se me ni madam fu ye didi nkomo me ya na yi mi miti we mama me kan che o se record ma mi yisa e bi se mi nim se aware mu asem de ye woni ukuna asem enti ma meka wona hu me na o de we wa anu chop na ofi ase kan mi so na emri bi e asem o ka che me ne
but I no drop.
Me kunu kwaye. Oh, me rent to you mama wa ha.
Mo man nkasa.
Wotua ne kase nti sa da no, sa obosome ne de o ma me 1,000. Enti e ho no me de to me ko. Ubu ayo otrofo. Wo yo otrofo da na me ba na wo ko. Otrofo ma me kama. Otrofo.
Man nkasa nwie.
Se adwuma na okwaye ne de wotua ne ka kase pan nti ne se obosome no ma me 1,000. Enti oni me kasa na me so me kwa me kunu ayo o ma me 1,000. Sama nkase da o ma me 1,000 na wo ya kan ye na wo sorry pa je say wo na wo de wo anu na wo
1,000 ba ko bendi
na wo ka che ni se sika ni sha sika de ma wo sent wo rent na wo
1,000 ba ko
be ni amaye ni
we I say no harvest
me bo e yam paso obeto so say wo no kunu ham sika so
you if you say na sa da na onya sa sika kese na o ma me 1,000 we say no na tumi so niama enti na fe na sika no reconfirm no na ha o me kakra enti me ni me kunu eyi say no mba mbebo wa mane
obeto so
me na me ni me kunu she dem ni
and all the water digital chop
ko bo bi amane
yeah
na me ni me kunu ye resolve na aya akasa na wo do tumi fa achi na wa ba beta ho na se wuti ase wa anya wo nchen na me ba madam fu na be ba wo nchen me ba na mu bosa nkomo no me mpesa me de ma no ba betu
sesia no okunu die mpa na o so woka
kwame se okwa no mete wo me nwu ye enti se o se wo sa ne okwo se na danfo yi okwo se danfo no sa chop money e de man no enye 1,000 na e ba ko pe I say annual harvest sika obi akwa asori a won to collect 100 million na mo de be ano harvest there utimi bo 100 million no obi asori na ko ngulu afi na osan ba enough is enough
what's it
enough is enough akwa no kwa mitimi di dokro 1 cedi chinam 2 cedi na matrase
Mr. Jet asem bi wo ho se me kan
kawasem
because yan hu asem na ni so unim se mi kuno na area be ya twempena
acha ani form for bre no
unim so na twempena
ani form for
it is say me na unim se there be anya ne sa to obo na temase da mi kunu kan kire me da Ebrabe so kan kire me da na nkamada me ho so se minim sa po aka menya wada unim so unim kuna chempena ada itina abefu madamfo ada na abefu madamfo itu chese no su na nam se me ne ti ho nyina no ene ya no su no nam eno sa suru na pese o cha
gokos
be na unim ne chempena da
gokos mpra twesika bi anim
Okuma Radio.
Right 02 0270191971 0270191971 Abrantie nsanye na yiribio ana aseme mane nye no enania ekoso no wate wadwenkyere wasemi hu ene sen ase na Africa chere se yema ne 1000 ni kuruntu no chop money so yema ne 500 boso me ni kurunu so on to so ti wasesa ne niema okọ 0270191971 mami for frefo odi kai e wa homa no so odi she be nie went bi anyina so 0270191971 0270191971 odi she be nie
ano kwame
aja kwam tell ni ana
yes sir
na Sina Junction to say
Sina Junction here so na pay akupma no jo se aja akuma ya ni
right okuma ni
akuma ya no
ode shikasa na eritie
yo mamintia picha ko wo ko nyina na me kan nyina ne se ye miambia ne ye mo sound go mo kasa de mo kasa ni shi de nsam de neba because onko kan sam treni ayi na damfu na nka on dada no se wa dada no ama kaniki ya jano but in the way you hana ne kan se ne kaniki to go pen yere na one time na de ba because ya na mi da ha won ni ho de di se di ka o na to na mo ta kan pa kon kan to
ade shebe ni
na
no ye papa bi na bibia aboko de ade she won side da okuma ni
akwapamano
ode she kasa
actually benisi mission na le mission oyoni brefo nti won se kan suban na pani kunu che wa kan no ne tena
right na no ye me da say any wajenkyere 0270191971 0270191971 ofrefo bi e wa homa no so me pa cho ode she be ni
atani doctor ini ngere biadru
woso frefi ebru edi ni
atani ata
okay masata okuma ni
aja okuma ni
ode shikasa
me pa cho na masimeti fo ne mi chama jumenta mama de mai kwa mai ni adio papa na me ka be man se this is coming for my I don't know ni kama 300 na afi onye ne trefi adaroma medasi
meso bedase masata mame mfa foforo wa homa no so okay line akate 0270191971 0270191971 0270191971 odeje
kwame niamo kan metie besi ase me ware me yiri biwa yiso no behwe me ono be chop money ama me
ase me na akade sa
ase me ware ni bi odi a
aden
okay
mami fo bi wa homa so pacho odeje be ni
Abatia semester
Esther Kasafi Kwamoso boko de
Bateo
Akuma enie
Mayano
odeje kasa mitie
amesle papa ne se ne wo muso waye fu wanya ade enti onfa ne bade nteno na oba ne so onfa ni kuni chao next time on your side, you only allow Freddy and the Nama and sign for. I'm funny, Chawana, and on the two.
Let us see. On Pani Chawana on YouTube. What did you be? Edinibio. Oday, na Manfitting. Yeah, that's it. Okuma in you. Odeshikasa.
A foot a foot. Medima, a coma, me and the one who met the fire. Near Ukun and Mark person. Near Penal for now. Who can stand or never man. So can I any out. Or can honoring country you could send on the money. Oh, then now can. Well, we say what then was saying over for Columbia or then to invest back when you couldn't get. If we are put to a medima, yeah, one to one.
May I say, Odeshi, Ode, Odeshi, Champion Shoemaker, one uni size, Samre Shoe Factory Bay, one your more and found to Mamon to Man and FFF. Oh, come on, ye. Odeshi Casa, meet ye.
But maybe I'm doing your mama, Ababano. Again, but we are more man and my wife. Now, that's of course so our worry, Papa. Obi awari to know what the number one. On can I do? What you more baby? What can we get to? What's the one whatever? Papa, can't get away.
Also bet me at the Wadrin chair at the Aba 0270191971. Mammy can messages be out of phobia about say wait there Nasampa ni Eric Canyon Mankasa Opacha or no Ancasano Oba Bia or any better Bia Sansem waiters. Wabokro di Bami Bokro or your friend Godfred Kojo Amwa Maconi.
Amwa de no.
But me money no cacao. Where to say women of today should learn how to appreciate and also feel mass war
appreciate.
Or say if he forgives her, they should share the duties in the house.
She will take care of me. On the way drop money, I'm no I say, she say. What I say? So Obi Bat say me when you have 500. One jam school fees.
Nah, message back with the boss say.
Yeah.
Masam American.
I don't know why. Nasam no know why.
Godfred. I said Nasam and Eric.
Why
by your name?
Why me tell one jam school fees you. Me papa the jam school fees.
Okay.
I'm grand boss me so. Me mom 500. Ba damn in check no.
Right. Mami phobia. Odisha be
Abobia.
na bibi aboko de abobia obia nye nti onya no wo ogidini obia nye mirase right, Miriam.
I tell you, I'm so cast a man. Yeah,
all right, 0270191971. To us,
oh, a man away in and you got a man in ya. Anka, obey Pharaoh, the enemy. Who say, oh, yeah, Bema, no, me, I'll come. And yet, man in ya, Sanity, members, and your moon, papa.
Okay,
and you know, it's an Americano. I got 500, me, papa, and mammy, Tiase. I'm not sure me school.
Okay,
and you can mammy 250, mamma, papa 250.
Right,
and how the order and check again, the many be an the amount.
Right,
now go to down for no myself. Now the baby cool be ba. What I say, me, Ukra, and how you're so good. That you see me program, maybe to change. Jaisu, you got no the amount.
Message via ba one funny deal account. Or say, men of today should learn how to forgive. I know the music your bapa. I didn't want funny deal account.
Man of today, I say, Yankopo, or man of yesterday. I know, God was man of yesterday. God, he was the man of yesterday.
Okay,
no fine China.
Okay,
yet today's man.
Hey. Masem and American.
I'm road be.
All right. 0270191971. Mami, na I then also hear about 10 million. I could see about 10 million. No go be a worry.
me ankasa na me wo ho no ba ko pe ne bae nti bia na ebetuma sen aba bio nti me ma asem na me kan obi are kan de nti me ono pe ro be kan me ma
na obi a kire ni kunu bobre
you
oh okay
me man nti wan ko no we say
na kwa me ma no mu hia nti mo kan bi ni e o kwa woman fresh for now say yes nkwankwan sa degrees
e say me nim say aware mu asem mpie nti me nim kunu ntem asem ti man be kan che wo do sorry na wa ba be kan na me so me che say o
wo de enya hwe
awura ma me kama asem pa cho pa
wo de me ho aba asem eja me na ho apaso
enguso
nti wo ya ga papa na hyew anka ne yakoso ipo nka obetumi aka me ho mapa me kunu chew
na yanka betuma na da pa wuta me wa di
na say ye me ya so hu say asam na ye me ya
me nka ne bokwe
nti wo de maate me na ho apaso
ye be hu na
wo ni mira wo de mo sabo be na hyewo
abehyew
me de ma asam amanyame
faman
kwa na asem atwam kura me yiri akokukura beto ase na me mpra ne mami gokos mpra twi sika bi ne gokos mpra twi no sika bi ne ho
dabi yampasa wo mami
gokos mpra twi sika bi ne ho
ne enti me ho ne se mi kunu entumi anka
na wo so eba ne se na hu ye
o se nde sam na nso
na wo eba ne se na hu
e na be bisa da bi nya abotare
asa wo ya pekasa
da bi o
wankasa wo pre
asa wo ya
ma asha me ho so me nsa hye mi kunu anum iti me pasa me bo apampam
amene nsa hye me anum anka ma wie me ma ko aba wo me kumi me ko ya pressure diabetes stroke na ho kwata me
eti wo badi no ana asa wo
nye o pa fa ko fie opa fa
eko fie mi kunu ye sese o ya ma me hu
o Mandela ko to
to so da no se no mpemi
adenje
ena mia me de me ho abewo so
yensre ogru yempa ne chawo e bika na sister ya adwen asesa na ukọ kasa se mu
pasa me de beba ma asem me so me nyansa
ebre bi ye kwampa bo na esi obi amfa ne problem ra me ko na me yiri ni fie nti mansa yan go bi o esi obi amfa ne problem emra na emoso mpa e
na chesa o problem nyina ya o yire
me ko na oni fie
e ampa
ampa bo ni twam na oba e
ayi man obebo wa mane
ene ye ne
me nkasa ne o
onkasa
ene ye ne
nkasa na enye
ene me ho adwuru me
adai
enya semu yanka me nim se sa me ni me kunu ti ho nyina sa no mpe me
na me yire de
ope bibia fa so
ya me ko mpa bo ya ka se mo nta no nto yire mra ne fam pam bon sama mo mra ne nchen
oso yire de
omo kwa mpa bo ne so mo nto no nto yire mra fam pam bon sama mo mra ne nchen
okay
mi shi na maka na mom
chop money si tutu ja ukunu
asema me se sister ikunu onhwe biribiye mawie me nka we me nka de
me nka nche se
onhwe biribiye pa
se mehia eida ene na nante open
ukunu de waboda mane
ukunu de onim
kwa me se na gokos mpra twesika ni ho
obi girl yo obi yire obi nso boy e yo obi
ya na madam funu na wantumi anka na miwura aden na o ba se otumi ka bibi na me da me ho so se bi ntimi nim sa asem we anka me wi no ba bedi ma asem we hu nkobo
na iti na woni ma mukodi nkobo
yo
right
eno so ye point
message bi I say Okuman, we are proud of you. Obi messenger Odiaba, I say Okuman, we are proud of you. We efi ofei ho. Ofei say Okuman, we are proud of you. Okay, thank you. We are also proud of you. Say wonso here na wutie. Adofo, ehani ede Okuman court besi enne. Na mami mbisa mama ye mie suehunu ben ena mo hwe film. Mami sha se fi ohemaso
me de ni ameka ne se se woni ukunu wo ho ana branch bi a ne wo obere me bi a ne wo asema mo ebe asema wonim se efa mo ho no enti na mo be no muntem empie nko ba bia cause wonim se bi kra na nka miyoni paboni bi na bi a madam fu ihu ye mebufu nti no mirika bibi ama na aware asese nka me nware ye na bi a me mpese obe na aware be ya nka metuma sai ne keke na mabehye ho so nti nsem ni bi wo ho a enye ni nina na ewo se
wo che wabontin
enye ni nina na ewo se pie cause unim se ne obi dete bi kra na obi gya ote ho no ano ye hyew se wode no you nti eno ne ade ameka
okay
Obi be say she has said it all. Me say asem fufuro bi eno ana afrefo frey utum sa asem na yesusu hun abai wo mu anen. She has said it all.
Obi the message abana come on see the lady in white. The lady is in white. She is greedy.
Oh, me mom.
Asu mu.
Na me me die na me ye.
Say obuchira una wa say na adwen.
Me dey in common ye di na me so me kan ya me.
Say titio.
Me 1,000 da. Eh, ba ku kra me so ka bi.
O say we nya bi da. Titio plus enya bone so wa ka na asem we wi. Ye da say. And I also can say she has said it all. Munchi adofo mi enu bi na yen sorry so.
Oh, me de meko so eti teacher for say ye teacher for dia. And the one I try my defeat a brief presby. Yes, and I'm a teacher for you now, especially as also PTC. Okay. Teacher for you now, try my day. All right, a teacher for many one try the JJ no. Ya bra hopper, vocational technical, nana, never be baby war. A brick it as ebi hu an yete ewa ha no and omo the improvement about menim say omo ba ha no omo san ba behwe ehwa mai in fact michia omo nyina fi principal Krekuso say Patrick ni female obia
yeah that's it oima
Minso me chia me mama ankasa so teacher ni wow enti ye mamomo ni yo mo na obia be bibia ye teacher fo a enti nyame nhyiram no mama ahoden ene abota ko say school for day.
Right. D-boy.
Kwame.
Dear ni se mu na pese tie for ebi chef why so for you.
What you say am tell me because aware Eden. What they say even in the Garden of Eden. Adam ne yere omo ye two pe. They are issues. Papa pie ko twa no kakra minim. Onante aso ko gine minim ho ne okwa sra no. Kozo mu ye minim.
Adam ne bia na okwa hwe mo ano.
Good. Okoba no. No owo abesi na chi. What you say? Enti yo awo nam. Enti ye besre asemba de bia me ka se oba papa bi ni baabi. Be ma papa bi ani baabi a. Se ni obe ye o yire afa no sa no be ugina krum didi o yire atemu a. Obegina wa aware te say your computer use garbage in garbage out. What you say? Enti no say eba bibi siwa aware mo.
No sisu bio asemi wo a wo kai me de wo say be ma papa bi a.
Be papa bi ani baabi a.
Na oba papa bi a.
Yakobon I think Genesis 3 Ochamejo quotation or say Yakopon nunu say oye nipa. First time Yakopon or say nunu say
onu aso na say obo nipa so say ne se so.
And I say me wo tani nipa mu go see awie say nipa ye honam. Yes. Enti say e basa eni honam achi bebre. And a man can no longer control his anger when he gets to a limit. His or a limit.
What is a man?
A man.
Bema.
Yeah. And now Bema Tibitisika, yani one day we are bonus to throw. Or no Nikoka, I love you till death do us part. Bonus to throw. That's the anger now rising. And the Ebasa yen to a bossy. And some between our room about yen trase. Na yanka a yasam. Kwame Nemeka Jatton said, Ubi our worry. And for awesome Uncle will be a Unima warrior home matching. Our Chomo is our ni. Yeah. So I want to Sebi Egua, which means I say, Mr. Intiani, or no crab, no worry that. Or no worry that. Okay. Chop money I can. What down for now, oh, coca action or no, when you be that. Now in the church of money as some. Yeah. Right. A bassa no. Yantina warren so no. Hango hankam and yan can't tell any be
Beman Kwan so be assign
yeah
is your banner so to be
Kwame ni na ashen one and ne be man be doing pempen so be be man here now you say na ko ban in the class but one day na no down for two for say kai bra you university mami to Gary shito boxes at the bro papa kai pepe no say me akoye mere ho ade enti no enye na mfonyina so na enye enti adwuma yemfa we enye suasem o kira so say
o ma pani be ba
this is o say won tay yanka na me so ya bibia agum
this
and then
oh ye chia no baby o bia no ka cha ni say nyampa e china okre district assembly no ye be bia no
so cha
enti ye ba cha me no na gina
o say agenda say yemfa live band
o say yemfa live enti
o say yemfa
and shoe fabric
o say yemfa live
shoe fabric
o say yemfa announcement no dey ye be do ha no na ekropo ye butu adaye say Yebe to me my home kwana ka de ka na fa kroma na ka announcement no
omapanyin bo we mi ni nyina so na me ka but enti ya menya ne say e bi omapanyin ba di nti no empanyin be dane ne emani kakra.
Okay, na anopa be 7 no.
In every room.
Yeah.
In every room.
Anopa de line be fam kakra omapanyin bo ko fitio ne ma no. Begum unze ama okwa mama yede ana be hia odwura no ama bibia kama odro mami we drive any odeme ko
pram
Moses odija papa nyame hira no ya sese kobo ebebo 6:15 na edu Moses odra
ya de bro mami wa
na wa fi so odene ma ba odwura yi unze yes e be ko walk
me we saw the track suit up now
first class
beauty salon.
That's right.
Track suit ni bi o.
E ho na akwa be hu che windeling for.
Back was the track suit no. Ebo mi.
Me da say. Da boy me bring na heavy. Abusu ya from na na kwa be pay. Meda abedwafo ase. Nyampa china obesan te omonka. Asira kese nkoma Victor hine da kuliste wo. Mi producer. Asira kese nkoma DJ Donzi. Afei Calvin ana Amponsa Wotenenka DJ Ziggy technical producer Esanso and handle social media 6 years. Banyami amani ya da sotiasia Edina ni nana Kwame Perry Ubetimi from the finest and meme nyina ka twa me Baka asem we na fanante. Life in this world is a great struggle both for the young and old. And even those with greater riches are troubles on their own. Rich men envy poor men envy the rich. Therefore, what is the sense in envy your neighbor? Ma odo indi uka obibi biara obeye biemu. Nyami amma echina yebe share. I am out like that.
Africa, New York, worldwide, move to the left and right, move to the left and right. Let me see your hand, move to the left and right, move to the left and right.